afternoon everyone. Hope everyone's doing really well. So welcome to Amira's kitchen in the garden. Now it's a beautiful day today, so I thought why not bring out this recipe that I'm about to share with you guys from Bella outdoors. Technically there's no cooking involved, which is why we are able to bring this recipe out. So some of you may know that I am just about to make a delicious Biscoff and Nutella Rocky Road. Recipe is over at Bella page, so do head over to her page if you want a step-by-step video. She's got that on her IGTV channel, and she also has all the measurements for all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. So what we have here is some Cadbury melts. We've got some marshmallows that have been chopped, some peanuts that have been chopped, coconut, raspberry lollies. We've got some Biscoff and Nutella spread in here. We've got some tams, and we've got some Biscoff biscuits that have been crushed, same as the Tim Tams here as well. And yeah, so the first thing you would want to do is mix all your dry ingredients in your bowl, so that we're going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so once all your dried ingredients are in your bowl, just give them a good mix. And then once that's done, you're ready for the next step, which is to melt the chocolate and to add in the spreads. So obviously, I don't have a burner outside here, so we're gonna head to the kitchen, quickly do that, and then mix it with the dried ingredients, and then I'll show you what to do next. So I'm just about to use my Neo Flam pot. It's from the new Fika range that I showed you the other day. It's the 22 centimeter low stock pot. So I've got it on a really low to medium heat, and then I'm going to start off with putting the chocolate melt, and then let that melt a little bit, and then we're going to add in our spreads. So that's going to need just a few minutes. Okay, so once the chocolate has melted, we're going to add in the spreads and let that melt through as well. Oh my god, I'm fasting and I can't even lick the spoon. Oh my god, yum. Again, you guys, if you want to know all the measurements, don't forget to head over to Bella Bird's page. She has everything on her IGTV channel, and she's got the actual recipe with the measurements and all of that in her caption. So, see this? I'm so tempted to lick that right now, but I can't. So that is like almost instantly going to melt through. I've taken it off the heat because the pot is still really hot and I just don't want that to harden. And just mix that all together. I'll bring So once your chocolate is into the bowl, just give it a good mix with all those delicious dried ingredients. And once that is completely mixed through evenly, we're going to place it into a lined baking tray and place into the fridge. Seriously, look how delicious that looks. Yum. Back. So we are now back in the garden. we have taken out the Rocky Road from the fridge. That's been sitting in the fridge for a couple hours now. And we also have some melted Nutella in a piping bag. And we also have some Biscoff melted in a piping bag as well. But first, we are going to super easily pop out our Rocky Road and place them on a flat surface. And this is why we line the baking dish that you have the Rocky Road in. It just makes taking it out super easy and quick. So then you're going to grab your melted, whichever one you would like to use first. And then we are going to give it a cut. And then all you do is just start with the topping process. No right or wrong way of doing this. It's just simply a garnish. Okay. And then the same with the Biscoff. I find with the Biscoff, once it's melted, you have to kind of act really quick because it tends to harden. It tends to harden so much quicker than the Nutella. Yeah, so just a tip, maybe we should have kind of used the Biscoff first, but it really doesn't really matter. But yeah, don't have it melted for too long. And maybe we'll go downwards. Wow. This is looking so good. Might do some Nutella long ways as well. Yum. I'm still fasting. Okay, so I'm just about to cut them and I'll show you the size that I've decided to cut them, more like a bite size. So yeah, but I'll bring you closer so you can see how delicious this is looking. Seriously, how delicious is this looking so far? I can't wait to actually taste it. Now with the cutting process, you can completely wait till the melted section has completely cooled down and place it back into the fridge if you like. Only because we are taking this with us to a dinner, I want to go ahead and chop it up. So I'm going to go ahead and chop it to probably about, start off with here, and then so cut my rows. Oh my goodness, I should probably get hubby to cut it, but we'll see how we go. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of this and I'll show you the final look once it's done.